Hello students, welcome to the lecture on relationship marketing, and after this lecture we will be able to learn the following objectives. Explain the concept of relationship marketing, discuss the benefit of relationship marketing, explain the strategies of relationship marketing, understand the tools of relationship marketing. Let's start with a brief introduction to relationship marketing. Relationship marketing is targeted at building stronger and long-lasting relationships with clients and other companies. The business is done with a strategic orientation where the relationship is improved with existing customers rather than finding new customers. It is meant to cater to the needs of individual customers. Its major part involves studying the needs of customers and how it changes in different circumstances. Relationship marketing applies techniques like marketing, sales, customer care, and communication. The relationship is not only enhanced, but its life period is increased by these strategies. Relationship marketing is a strategy designed to foster customer loyalty, interaction, and long-term engagement. This customer relationship management (CRM) approach focuses more on customer retention than customer acquisition. This approach often results in increased word-of-mouth activity, repeat business, and a willingness on the customer's part to provide information to the organization. Relationship marketing contrasts with transactional marketing, an approach that focuses on increasing the number of individual sales. Relationship marketing is applicable where the customers have many options in the market for the same product or service, and the customer is entitled to make a selection decision. In such a kind of market, businesses try to maintain their customers by providing comparatively better products and good service, and hence achieving customer loyalty. And once it is achieved, it becomes difficult for competitors to do well in the market.
The relationship marketing approach is quite a bit different. This approach is really based around creating long-term clients. And to do that, basically, we look at all of our touches being really personalized, relevant, and customer-centric, so that every touch that we send out, whether that's an email or a direct mail, is taking information that we've gathered from previous interactions with the prospect and delivering then targeted messages based on that information. These programs are usually multi-touch nurturing programs that are based on where the prospect is in the buying cycle and what information they've provided previously, whether that's demographic, psychographic information, information about their needs, interests, or pains, and it's really targeted to that information. So let's take a look at what this looks like in a typical program. Just as before, our overall budget is $3,500, but we're going to implement a two-phase program. The first phase for our early touch will be personalized content. So we're going to create some highly segmented touches that really are personalized with the prospect's name and any other information that we've gathered in our marketing database. Now, differently in this program, because we're going to have two touches, the second touch will be nurturing. So we're going to only put $2,500 of our $3,500 budget into this, and that would result in about a 2,000 mail drop. And surprisingly, though, because you personalize, all of the research shows that you can double your response rates. So rather than generating 60 inquiries as our traditional program did, we're able to, with a smaller list size, generate 80 inquiries, and the cost per response is only $31. Now again, let's say that our sales team is able to close 20% of those, and that results in 16 sales, and for our $1,000 product, $16,000 in revenue. Now that is $4,000 more than what we had previously. Now, if we take it a step further and add a nurturing step on to all of those prospects who said that they were just interested, so we're going to nurture them with a few touches, And we'll add our additional $1,000 that we had available for our budget to do this, to do 6 touches to nurture those just interested prospects. Now, because these prospects have already been in contact with our company and they've dealt with us before, generally we see much higher response rates. So let's say that we have a 35% response rate, we can generate an additional 22 inquiries at $45 per response marketing cost. Now, again, these people have been in contact with us before, and so it's likely that our sales conversion rate will be higher as well. So we can tack on another 8 sales or $8,000 in revenue and drive our marketing costs then down on those to $125. So let's look at the overall results for this program. With the relationship marketing approach, for the same investment, we had 102 inquiries total. That's compared to 60 inquiries we had in the traditional marketing approach. And our cost per response was only $34. We doubled our revenue and our sales, so rather than 12 sales, we had 24 sales and $12,000 more in revenue. So as you can see, with relationship marketing, we were able to produce 70% more inquiries and 100% more sales and revenue.
Let us now discuss the relationship marketing. Relationship marketing is an old idea, but a new focus now at the forefront of services marketing practice and academic research. The impetus for its development has come from the maturing of services marketing with the emphasis on quality, increased recognition of potential benefits for the firm and the customer, and the technological advances. Accelerating interest and active research are extending the concept to incorporate newer, more sophisticated viewpoints. The importance of developing and maintaining enduring relationships with customers of service businesses is generally accepted in the marketing literature. A key challenge for researchers is to identify and understand how managerially controlled antecedent variables influence important relationship marketing outcomes, example, customer loyalty and word-of-mouth communication. Relational benefits, which have a focus on the benefits consumers receive apart from the core service, and relationship quality, which focuses on the overall nature of the relationship, represent two approaches to understanding customer loyalty and word of mouth. Relationship marketing is now immensely used by the B2B marketers. The salespeople maintain and develop close relationship with their customers. Even sometimes the companies appoint a relationship manager to take care of their valued customers. Recognizing the value of continuous relationship in building customer loyalty. Elements of RM. Elements of RM are the operational tools for implementing RM in an organization. Different researchers have taken multiple views regarding the elements. Financial bonds. Financial bond is tying the customers primarily through financial incentives that may be in the form of lower prices for greater volumes purchases or lower prices for customers who have been with the firm for a long time. Financial incentives do not generally provide long-term advantages to a firm, especially if it is not combined with another relationship strategy, as they do not serve to differentiate the firm from its competitors in the long run. Social bonds. Social bonds are more personal than organizational. Social exchange is viewed as a dynamic process and plays a central role in ongoing exchange episodes by fostering symbiotic adaptation. Trust. Trust can lead to the commitment to a relationship that results from an exchange partner exerting all his or her efforts to preserve an important relationship. The resources of the seller, personnel, technology and systems have to be used in such a manner that the customers trust in the resources involved and thus in the firm itself is maintained and strengthened. In a study of relationships on the market for one industrial service, Moorman defined trust as a willingness to rely on an exchange partner in whom one has confidence. Let us now discuss the benefits of relationship marketing. The importance of developing and maintaining enduring relationships with customers of service businesses is generally accepted in the marketing literature. A key challenge for researchers is to identify and understand how managerially controlled antecedent variables influence important relationship marketing outcomes. Example, customer loyalty and word-of-mouth communication. Relational benefits, which have a focus on the benefits consumers receive apart from the core service, and relationship quality, which focuses on the overall nature of the relationship, represent two approaches to understanding customer loyalty and word of mouth. Relationship marketing is a great way to build business and one that provides a high level of satisfaction to the business owner. Relationship marketing is emerging as a new phenomenon. However, relationship-oriented marketing practices date back to the pre-industrial era. An alternate paradigm of marketing needs to be developed that is more process rather than outcome-oriented and emphasizes value creation rather than value distribution. Some of the benefits of relationship marketing include: loyal customers will recommend business to others, thus expanding business for organization. Loyal customers are willing to try some of the new products because they trust. Customers will be willing to pay more for services, products, if there are adjustments in pricing because they are loyal and trust the services, products. Loyal customers will tell about the problems with products, services, enabling to improve the products, services. The ultimate benefit will be an increased sales, market share and dominance. Understanding customer characteristics. Relationship marketing helps to understand customer better. Customers can be segregated into groups based on their characteristics like purchasing power, frequency and volume of sale transactions. It also helps to get valuable feedback from customers and understand their needs and expectations. This subsequently helps in value addition to products and services based on these demands and leads to happier customers as they get involved into the value creation process. Delivery and meeting expectations. If customer needs are known, it will help reduce wastage due to trial and error methods. When required product features and specifications are known, it is easier to make modifications that will please the customers and increase sales turnover. It also helps reduce costs incurred from the research and development process. Word of mouth marketing. A happy customer will always promote the business by telling 10 other people about the amazing services or performance received from the company. They will be excited to recommend our business to other people around them so they can try it too. Also, research suggests that people are more motivated to try a product service based on reviews from an existing customer they know than they will be from persuasion by advertisements. Hence, this marketing is an effective strategy beyond expensive advertising campaigns that create product service awareness but do not promise a remarkable rise in sales. Increasing customer base. It is no secret that a happy customer will bring new ones. In fact, a satisfied existing customer is 107% more likely to recommend a product service to a prospective customer. Apart from customer referrals, there are several other ways to increase customer satisfaction by employing methods of utilizing social networking websites, blogs, informal surveys, benefits on loyalty cards, timely response to complaints and requests as a constant reminder of our presence around customers through consistent communication. The company's value equity and retention equity is improved by enhancing customer satisfaction. This type of marketing benefits, especially in the creation of new customers, apart from maintaining existing ones.
Okay, so as entrepreneurs, we live to grow our businesses, right? I mean, we spend tons of money on marketing to get more customers, online, email, search engines, and maybe even TV and radio. We then provide a great experience for our customers and then hope they spread the word about us to their friends, family, and colleagues. But hoping they refer us is no way to grow a business. And that's why we created Spreadable. A person referring your business to their friends doesn't cost a dime. Zip, zilch. And get this, word-of-mouth referrals are better than any other form of marketing. Yeah, in fact, about 20% of people who hear about your business via word of mouth will end up becoming paying customers. Spreadable is a customized tell-a-friend widget for your website and emails that drives word-of-mouth referrals. No need for developers, social media gurus, or ninjas, or whatever. It's easy. All right, this is how it works. Let's say you've got a bunch of happy customers, right? And they've got some friends who could also benefit from your product or service. So why not ask them to spread the word and give them an easy way to do it? So now you've got a Spreadable button on every page. That same happy customer can click on it and easily send referrals via email or through social tools like Facebook and Twitter. Spreadable then lets you track and reward those referrals. Hey, but wait a second, there's more. If you think about it, between all the emails you send, your team sends, and all the support and customer emails your company sends, you're missing hundreds or thousands of opportunities every week to get more referrals. So just put a spread the word link in everyone's email signature so your customers can remember to refer you. Yeah, how cool is that? Hey, Spreadable is different from all those other social sharing buttons you see online. They simply share a video, article, or link to a specific page. Where Spreadable sends a consistent message about your product or brand, regardless of where they are on your website. And until now, there's been no way to measure word of mouth. But with Spreadable's powerful analytics, conversion tracking, and reporting, you'll know everything there is to know about your referrals. A great marketer once said, "Traditional marketing has companies speak to many to reach one. Today, we speak to one to reach many." So kick back, relax, and feel good, knowing you're never going to miss an opportunity to spread the word about your business.
Reduced marketing costs. Benefits also include lesser marketing costs and more value creation. This can be explained by stating the following statistics. Every 5% increase in customer retention can increase a company's annual profits from at least 25% to as much as 125%, while simultaneously leading to a reduction of 10% in marketing costs. An existing customer will spend 33% more than a new customer to buy product, service. Most businesses spend as much as 80% of their budget for marketing expenditure to make new customers. Identification with the company. The benefits are reaped both by the company and the customers. It helps the customers identify more with the company. Staying in touch with the customers makes them feel like they are important to the company. Let us now discuss the strategies of relationship management. Relationship management is the strategy of consolidating, sharing, and leveraging information across an organization to optimize communication and facilitate transactional interactions. With a company-wide understanding of clients' needs and values, we can increase profitability, improve client satisfaction, and build loyalty. Just as critical to long-term success is maintaining positive communication with business partners, vendors, and employees. increase efficiency and organizational intelligence, consolidate knowledge of the prospects, clients, and partners in a single location to drive revenue optimization and relationship initiatives across departments. Organizational intelligence is the capacity of an organization to create knowledge and use it to strategically adapt to its environment or marketplace. It is similar to IQ but framed at an organizational level. While organizations in the past have been viewed as compilations of tasks, products, employees, profit centers, and processes, today they are increasingly seen as intelligent systems designed to manage knowledge. The same approach used to characterize human intelligence, IQ. The capacity for human problem solving is composed of several facets such as emotional intelligence coupled with the more traditional form of rational intelligence. In a similar way, organizational intelligence as the problem-solving capacity of an organization created by various subsystems. Optimize individual client profitability. To thrive, manufacturers must identify and respond to local market needs by designing, producing, marketing, and selling the right products at the optimal price everywhere they operate. Unfortunately, many organizations have no accurate information regarding the profitability of their customers, products, and sales channels, nor do they know the true costs of their processes, systems, and activities. Consequently, incorrect decisions are being made about regional production allocations, pricing, packaging of services, marketing, customer acquisition, and sales compensation plans. Revealing true customer profitability and the customer contribution to shareholder value assumes a correct view on the cost to serve that customer. Equation enables to model both price leakages and specific costs related to serving the customer. We can define any type of cost at any level of personal product and customer hierarchy. The model rolls up revenue, price leakages, and costs along all branches of a user-defined hierarchy. At each level, one can analyze the resulting profit waterfall. Improve collaboration, facilitate communication among clients, partners, and employees to drive revenue, reduce cycle time, and manage issues. The primary goal of collaborative CRM is to maximize profitability, revenue, and customer satisfaction. The various technologies that support the business include gaining the attention of customers, storage and analysis of customer information, as well as internal process information. The most important part of collaborative CRM is combining software installation with customer-oriented strategies. And while technology is a powerful tool to support CRM initiatives, without alliance to the customer, the tool is of little benefit to our service or to our company. Collaborative CRM supports processes conducted at the back office level, which affects the activities of the customer and the maintaining of customer relationships. Primarily, internal collaborative functions address IT, billing, invoicing, maintenance, planning, marketing, advertising, finances, and planning. Its primary intention is to coordinate services to the customer and support customer issues and questions. The aim of collaborative CRM is to get various departments within a business to share useful information. The information obtained serves to collect information that helps improve the quality of customer service. Another form of CRM is called collaborative CRM, a highly effective method of communication as it covers direct interaction with customers, including feedback and issue reporting. As an important approach to customer relationship management, collaborative CRM greatly improves on services offered and addresses such issues as sales, technical support, and marketing. As a dynamic tool, it allows a business to share any information collected from interactions with customers. Cultivate successful relationships. Recognize the most valuable clients and pursue prospects with similar attributes. This includes successful implementations for organizations in the financial services, insurance, health performance management, high-tech and retail industries. Establishing and then cultivating successful relationships with CPAs and other third-party advisors can help build own practice and credibility among business owners and high net worth clients. It is a strategy worth pursuing, but it is also one that takes time, patience, persistence, and constant communication. It is impossible to have an intimate relationship with someone who's always busy doing their own thing or doing things that do not include us. It is equally hard to have a relationship with someone who's solely focused on work, success, or individual goals.
Cities are full of destinations: bars, restaurants, cinemas, concerts, and all kinds of shops. There are lots of things you enjoy, but nobody has time to stay updated with all the daily menus in restaurants, or different concerts, or all the good deals your city offers every day. So you're walking down the street, and you have no idea that the shop you just passed by has a great deal on t-shirts, or that your favorite band is playing just down the street, or anything else that's out there. Wouldn't it be awesome to see all this in one place wherever you go? Well, now you can. Taper is a simple app that shows you events and discounts around you anywhere and at all times. So whether you go shopping, look for entertainment, or just hang out with your friends, you will always find the best offers around you, and you don't have to spend time thinking about what to do. Let's say you're looking for a place to eat. You can check the list of local offers listed by distance from you on the map right on your phone. Or just point your smartphone cam and the app will show you what's around. Best of all, you don't have to worry about cash. It's never been so easy to pay. Choose the offer you like and tap the screen. In the restaurant, just show your code and your lunch is ready. It works the same way with shops, cinemas, museums, and concerts. And when you like the offer, you can just use Facebook or Foursquare to tell your friends, so you can enjoy it.
The key to successful marketing is building relationships. If we put it that way, it is not so scary. Marketing actually starts to feel like something attainable. Creating trust through honesty and transparency. Listening first and being responsive. Making an effort to learn more and to find commonality, and working hard at meeting someone's expectations. These are what build relationships, either in business or in life. Why should building relationships in business be any different than in the rest of my life? It may be more comfortable to keep things separate, keep business life and personal life in its own box. Let us now discuss another topic: tools of relationship marketing. Customer relationship management, CRM systems have evolved considerably and now include many different business aspects in one, like marketing, sales leads, tech support, and even employee conversation. The past or reactive business strategy separates customer care and accounts collection activities. The CRM includes and involves IT hardware infrastructure, software, communication network, as well as customization depending upon the organization, its business, and the customer. The CRM is undoubtedly a very useful tool for the marketing professionals to get closer to their customer. Using CRM effectively, they are able to offer customized marketing to individual customers and to a very large customer base. Companies can use the data warehousing and data mining techniques to get to know all about the customer, including his personal details like birthdays, anniversaries, as well as store details of his past transactions, his likes and dislikes, as well as his preferences, etc. The 7 steps to establish and manage preventive collections strategy. Find the universal agents. Find employees who have an ideal skill set for customer care. People who make good universal agents usually have a thick skin and can handle past due collections conversations. Provide training that is upfront and ongoing. Once universal agents are identified, they need special training. They should understand how to show empathy and engage in negotiation skills to effectively resolve customer care issues and negotiate billing issues. Ongoing training is also required, so they are constantly updated on the system and how to change data within it. Control customer service quality and performance. Using efficient customer service systems streamlines the process. Having the customer's data appear on screen the moment they call makes the process simpler and easier to negotiate. Use consumer data to negotiate payment alternatives. By having access to additional customer information, we can negotiate more easily and make the process simpler for the customer too. For example, if we have the customer's payment history on screen, we can better negotiate due dates. We may offer a suggestion like, can we change the due date to better fit the needs? Use non-traditional communication to engage customers, and businesses alike are using different means to converse with one another. For the best results, use a multi-channel approach to leverage a message using voice communication. Constancy is the key. Provide training and support equally to all of the agents to ensure reliable service to all of the customers. Develop a set of standards that are well defined. Make sure the agents always strive to do their best. Motivation and incentives. Develop a business-specific compensation model to help motivate the agents. With this strategy, late-paying customers will receive better all-around communication from business, and we will receive payments on time. By identifying and resolving past due issues before the customer reaches the collection stage is a proven way to enhance the bottom line. Now, in the end, let us summarize what we have learnt in this lecture. Relationship marketing applies techniques like marketing, sales, customer care, and communication. Relationship marketing is targeted at building stronger and long-lasting relationships with clients and other companies. The importance of developing and maintaining enduring relationships with customers of service businesses is generally accepted in the marketing literature. Relationship marketing is emerging as a new phenomenon. However, relationship-oriented marketing practices date back to the pre-industrial era. Relationship management is the strategy of consolidating, sharing, and leveraging information across an organization to optimize communication and facilitate transactional interactions. Customer relationship management (CRM) systems have evolved considerably and now include many different business aspects in one, like marketing, sales leads, tech support, and even employee conversation.